Imagine a scenario where recharging an electric car takes only a few minutes. The range easily exceeds 1,000 kilometers, and the battery remains efficient for virtually the entire lifespan of the vehicle. For many years, this vision was directly linked to solid-state batteries, considered by experts to be the most important evolution since the emergence of lithium-ion batteries. However, while most of the industry focused its efforts on this technology, a less discussed alternative began to gain ground. Aluminum-ion batteries emerged as a promising option, bringing together characteristics capable of completely transforming concepts such as cost, safety, and durability. Given this scenario, an inevitable question arises: which of these technologies will truly lead the next generation of electric vehicles? The answer may not lie in the victory of just one. Everything indicates that different solutions may coexist, meeting the specific needs of each market segment. This technological competition is likely to profoundly redefine the future of electric mobility. For a long time, solid-state batteries were considered the great hope of the automotive industry. This recognition didn't happen by chance. Compared to traditional batteries, they promise to eliminate many current limitations. Replacing the liquid electrolyte with a solid material drastically reduces the risk of fires, increases chemical stability, and allows the use of much more efficient materials to store energy. In practice, this means lighter vehicles, significantly greater ranges, and extremely reduced charging times. Given this enormous potential, manufacturers from around the world invested billions of dollars in research and development. However, transforming laboratory results into large-scale industrial production proved to be a much greater challenge than initially imagined. In recent years, scientists have realized that different solid electrolytes exhibit quite distinct performances. After numerous tests involving various materials, sulfide-based electrolytes have received special attention. This approach has shown a much higher ionic conduction capacity compared to previous alternatives. In practical terms, this means that ions can move much more easily within the battery, favoring faster charging and greater energy efficiency. Furthermore, this type of electrolyte has also demonstrated excellent performance at extremely low temperatures, precisely one of the biggest challenges faced by current electric vehicles. This discovery is considered one of the most significant advances ever achieved in the evolution of solid-state batteries. These results quickly sparked the interest of the world's largest automakers. Companies like Toyota and BYD significantly increased their investments to accelerate the development of this new generation of batteries. The goal is extremely ambitious: to achieve energy densities close to 500 Wh per kilogram, practically double the capacity found in the best commercial lithium-ion batteries currently available. If this goal is achieved, it will be possible to manufacture cars capable of traveling much greater distances using smaller, lighter, and more efficient batteries. In parallel, these manufacturers are also working on ultra-fast charging systems, prepared to operate at very high power levels and drastically reduce the time needed to recover the vehicle's range. While major manufacturers continue to dedicate enormous financial resources to the development of this technology, a relatively small startup has managed to attract the attention of the global automotive sector. The Finnish company Donut Lab has presented a solid-state battery project with quite impressive specifications. According to the information released, its technology combines high energy density, excellent thermal stability, and extremely fast recharging capacity. These promises have aroused great enthusiasm among investors and experts. However, there is a considerable difference between demonstrating a functional prototype and manufacturing millions of units while maintaining consistent quality standards. This remains one of the main challenges faced by any innovation in the battery sector. Producing solid-state batteries on an industrial scale requires an extremely controlled environment, unlike the lines currently used to manufacture conventional batteries. This process depends on so-called dry rooms, facilities where the air humidity must remain below 1%. This rigorous control is essential to avoid chemical reactions that could completely compromise the quality of the cells produced. Maintaining these conditions requires sophisticated equipment, high energy consumption, and significantly more expensive industrial processes. As a consequence, the final manufacturing cost remains high, hindering widespread adoption in the short term. Another significant obstacle is related to the quality of the materials used in the manufacture of these batteries. Several components need to have extremely high levels of chemical purity to guarantee stability, performance, and safety throughout the product's lifespan. Small imperfections arising during the production process can generate microscopic defects capable of reducing the durability of the cells or even completely rendering them inoperable. This causes a significant portion of the manufactured units to be discarded during quality control. This low utilization rate further increases industrial costs and reduces competitiveness compared to conventional lithium-ion batteries. Currently, experts estimate that the manufacturing cost of solid-state batteries ranges from approximately $400 to $800 per kilowatt-hour, depending on the technology used and the maturity level of the factory responsible for production. In many cases, values close to $600 per kilowatt-hour are still considered common. In contrast, conventional lithium-ion batteries have already reached costs of around $115 per kilowatt-hour in various commercial applications. This difference highlights that, although the technological potential of solid-state batteries is enormous, there is still a long way to go before they can compete economically with the solutions currently dominant in the market. Even in the face of these difficulties, several consulting firms continue to express confidence in the future of this technology. Some analysts believe that costs could fall rapidly as new factories are opened and industrial processes are improved. In the most optimistic scenarios, the cost could approach $140 per kilowatt-hour before the end of this decade. Other experts, however, adopt a more cautious view. For this group, the industrial challenges will still require several years of development, meaning that large-scale adoption will only occur between 2030 and 2033. This difference in projections shows that there is still great uncertainty about the speed at which this technological evolution will happen. While all this technological race continues to focus on solid-state batteries, a less discussed alternative is quietly advancing. Aluminum-ion batteries may not promise the longest ranges or the highest energy density ever recorded. Still, they offer an extremely attractive combination of low production costs, high thermal safety, and a lifespan far superior to most current technologies. These characteristics could make them especially competitive in areas such as commercial transport, large-scale energy storage, and industrial applications. All this demonstrates that the battle for the future of batteries is far from over, and that different technologies could play fundamental roles in the transformation of electric mobility. The major advantage of aluminum-ion batteries lies in their extraordinary lifespan. While a conventional lithium-ion battery typically withstands between 2,000 and 4,000 complete charge cycles before showing noticeable degradation, the most advanced designs with aluminum technology aim to exceed 20,000 cycles. In practice, this means decades of operation in various applications without needing replacement. For companies operating large fleets of electric vehicles or energy storage systems, this durability represents a significant reduction in operating costs over time. Instead of periodically replacing batteries, it would be possible to use them for virtually the entire lifespan of the equipment, completely altering the relationship between initial investment and financial return. Another extremely favorable aspect of this technology is its high level of safety. Aluminum-ion batteries exhibit much greater thermal stability than conventional batteries. As a result, they are much less vulnerable to so-called thermal runaway, a phenomenon responsible for the most serious fires involving high-capacity batteries. This characteristic allows for a considerable simplification of protection systems. In many projects, the need for sophisticated liquid cooling systems or complex thermal management modules can be reduced or even eliminated. In addition to increasing safety, this simplification contributes to reducing vehicle weight, facilitating its development, and lowering total manufacturing costs factors that are of great interest to commercial vehicle manufacturers. The economic aspect also strengthens the competitiveness of this technology. Several projections indicate that when production reaches industrial scale, aluminum-ion batteries could cost approximately between $55 and $60 per kilowatt-hour. This value corresponds to only a small fraction of the estimated cost for many solid-state batteries currently under development. Furthermore, aluminum is one of the most abundant elements in the Earth's crust and is available in large quantities in many countries. This ample supply reduces risks related to raw material supply, decreases dependence on minerals considered strategic, and contributes to more stable supply chains. In a market increasingly concerned with sustainability and cost control, this advantage could become a decisive factor. However, despite all these qualities, aluminum-ion batteries still face significant limitations. The main obstacle lies in their volumetric energy density. In simple terms, they store less energy within the same physical space compared to the best current lithium-ion batteries and, especially, to future solid-state batteries. This means that, to offer the same range, it would be necessary to use larger battery packs. In compact cars where every available centimeter directly influences the vehicle's design, this limitation represents a significant challenge to their widespread adoption. This characteristic directly impacts vehicle engineering. Sports cars, high-end sedans, and compact city cars require batteries capable of concentrating large amounts of energy in small spaces. The smaller the volume occupied by the battery pack, the greater the freedom engineers have to develop lighter, more efficient, and aerodynamic vehicles. In this context, solid-state batteries continue to have an advantage thanks to the high energy density potential predicted for the coming years. Aluminum-ion batteries, on the other hand, find better conditions in applications where available space is not such a critical factor. This difference tends to clearly define which segments will be more suitable for each technology. It is precisely in heavy transport that aluminum-ion batteries reveal their greatest potential. Electric trucks, city buses, agricultural machinery, mining equipment, and various industrial vehicles typically have enough space to accommodate larger battery packs without compromising their operation. Furthermore, this equipment travels long distances daily and accumulates thousands of charge cycles in just a few years of operation. In this scenario, the long lifespan of aluminum batteries translates into an extremely significant economic advantage. The less frequent the replacements, the lower the maintenance and operating costs throughout the fleet's lifespan. For companies that manage hundreds or even thousands of vehicles, these savings can reach millions of dollars. Another sector that could greatly benefit from this technology is stationary energy storage. As the share of renewable sources such as solar and wind power grows, so does the need to store electricity for use during periods when generation is insufficient. In this type of application, factors such as weight and dimensions are of secondary importance. The main focus is on durability, operational safety, and the lowest possible cost per usage cycle. Aluminum-ion batteries meet exactly these requirements. Their ability to withstand tens of thousands of cycles makes this solution especially attractive for solar power plants, wind farms, residential storage systems, and smart grids. Meanwhile, solid-state batteries continue to be considered the most promising option for vehicles that demand maximum performance. The combination of high energy density, weight reduction, and ultra-fast charging capability creates ideal conditions for premium cars, sports models, and vehicles designed for long-distance travel. Imagine a car capable of traveling hundreds of additional kilometers using a significantly smaller battery than current ones. This mass reduction not only improves range, but also enhances acceleration, stability, handling, and energy efficiency. It is precisely this set of benefits that keeps the world's largest automakers investing heavily in this technology, even in the face of the high costs and challenges involved in its development. When comparing these two technologies, it becomes clear that they were not developed to meet exactly the same objectives. Solid-state batteries focus their benefits on offering the highest possible performance, high energy density, and a superior end-user experience. Aluminum-ion batteries, on the other hand, follow a different strategy, prioritizing low production costs, high operational safety, and an exceptionally long lifespan. Instead of solving the same problems, each addresses specific market needs. For this reason, many experts believe that it is unlikely that a single technology will replace all others. The most widely accepted trend currently points to a scenario in which different chemistries will coexist, being used according to the requirements of each application. This shift in perspective demonstrates that the electric vehicle sector is entering a new phase of technological evolution. The period in which lithium-ion batteries dominated virtually the entire market is gradually giving way to a much more diversified environment. In the coming years, solid-state batteries, aluminum ions, and other technologies still under development are expected to share space, offering specific solutions for consumers, businesses, and even governments. Although this transformation is happening gradually, everything indicates that we are witnessing the beginning of one of the biggest changes in the history of electric mobility. Given this new scenario, automakers need to make strategic decisions that can influence their competitiveness for many years. Developing a groundbreaking battery platform requires billions of dollars in investment, the construction of specialized industrial facilities, and long periods of research before the first vehicles can reach the market. Therefore, simultaneously betting on all available technologies represents a high financial risk. Each choice involves a careful analysis of factors such as performance, manufacturing cost, availability of raw materials, and large-scale production capacity. In the end, winning this race will depend not only on the best technology, but also on the efficiency in transforming scientific innovation into industrial production. This competition has already become as important as the transition from combustion engines to electric ones. Among the manufacturers most committed to the development of solid-state batteries is Toyota. For several years, the Japanese company has directed significant investments towards research aimed at increasing energy density and reducing charging time. Its goal is to create vehicles capable of traveling significantly greater distances